Hi, welcome to this week's Tasty Tuesday. Today we're going to be making some fettuccine alfredo pasta. To begin, start by turning on your stove and adding in 4 cups of water. You're going to wait for your water to boil, and once it's boiling, you're going to add in your pasta. Once that's in, you're going to grab a pan and you're going to add some olive oil into it. Then you're going to add in half a stick of butter and let it melt. In the meantime, while it's melting, you're going to add in your heavy whipping cream. Then you're going to mix that. And make sure it's on medium heat because you don't want it to be cooking very quickly. Next, you're going to add in a teaspoon of garlic salt and a pinch of regular salt. Then you're going to mix that very well. Once it's all combined, you're going to add in your Parmesan cheese. Then you're going to let that sit in there for a minute and then stir. Until everything is dissolved. Then you're going to reduce the heat to low heat, and you're going to check up on your pasta and it should be fully cooked. Then you're going to add your pasta into a strainer. And you may add some cold water to your pasta if you would like. Once that's all done, you're going to add your pasta into your sauce. And you're going to mix very well. Make sure your fettuccine gets all covered in alfredo sauce. Then you're going to let it sit for a few minutes and reduce the heat. Once it's ready, you're going to turn off the heat and you may serve it. You may add any desired toppings. I'm going to be adding in some crushed red peppers. And grated Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. Enjoy!